Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be putting together an old school glider rocking chair that I found in the loft of one of the outbuildings here on the family property. It's the first time I'd been up in that loft in a year or so, and I was looking for something else. Couldn't find what I was looking for, but after moving a couple boxes around, I found the glider rocking chair still in its factory box, and I did not have high hopes for it when I first found it because the box was deteriorating from just being up there so long, and it looked like there had been an animal nest by it at some point, and the box was all tore up. So I didn't have high hopes, but after cleaning the box off, I brought it out in the yard and opened it up, and everything was still in showroom quality, so that is amazing. Here is the back of it. I'm hoping this box here has the arms of the glider, and here is the base that has that iconic gliding motion that they are known for. But really, really cool. I think I'm going to put this together and put this in the train room. I've been looking for a nice chair to put in the train room so I can sit down and watch the trains go around in the evening, or just watch TV in it in the evenings. There is a small TV in the train room that I haven't shown on camera, but there is one in there, and I just usually have it on just for sound. But really, really cool. I had one of these chairs when I was a kid, and I do have fond memories of it just sitting there playing my Nintendo GameCube after school, after finishing my schoolwork, and that was the youth size of this chair. This is the full adult size of it. I have the cushions here on the ground, and I've got my instructions laid out with all the little nuts and bolts that go with it to put it together. Let me move the base over to the table saw and move the camera closer to give you the best possible view of me putting it together, and we'll get started. And we're going to begin by just glancing over the instructions. The instructions are fairly straightforward. I think if the instructions had not have been in the deteriorating box, I still could have got this together. The two longest Allen key screws here will go to hold the back in place. And then the little cardboard box did contain the arms and the spindles. And I really like this swooping design. And I'm going to go through here and just make sure everything is correct and get my screws out and lined up to make the workflow go better. And 3 more Allen screws hold everything else in, or 4 actually. And again, I'm so happy this chair was all in one piece with everything in nice condition, and that it hadn't been scratched up or marred up from just being up in a dusty not climate controlled loft. And the 2 spindles here are held in with actual wood screws, and they will be covered up later, as well as all of the screw holes. I know this is a little bit different content for me to put out, but I figured why not. I always enjoy putting things together, so why not document it? If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. I'd really appreciate the support. Now, once everything was locked in, there is several of these little nubs that you cover the screw holes with, and my rubber mallet was not in the workshop at this time, so I'm just using a block of wood to protect it and mashing those in place. And I'll go around and get all of these mashed in, and there were no spares, so I was careful to keep up with all of them. And I'll wipe everything down again with a wipe here. Again, just cleaning everything up. It had been so long, years, since this thing had seen the light of day. And put the cushions in, and it was ready for a test run. So relaxing to just sit here and glide and just watch the trains go around and around. I can see this being a very used hangout spot for me in the evenings. But thank you all for watching. Let's go on and close the video. And that is how easy it is to assemble one of those old school glider rocking chairs. It goes together so easily, and they're pretty much 90% assembled from the factory when they're put in the box. You just have to put on the back, the arms, and then the seat cushions. And I'm sure after some use, that one seat cushion is going to go permanently flat just from me sitting in it. But again, I do have so many fond memories of having the youth size one when I was a kid, and now I have the adult size one. I know back in the day they were very popular in households. I've seen one in about every household I went to, and everybody said it's one of the smoothest, most relaxing things to just sit there and glide and watch TV or do whatever you're doing. Of course, that one is going to be used to watch the trains go around. So it's going to be a very relaxing environment. I know a long time ago they also offered a kind of a footstool that glided to where your whole body and your legs up in the air could glide together, and it was so cool. I remember sitting in one of those at someone's house, and it was so relaxing even as a kid. But really, really cool. A little bit different video from me, and sometimes you just have to switch up your content, guys. If you like this kind of content, please let me know down in the comments below. I had a lot of fun making this video, and I hope you guys like this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.